What's up, people? George here on a little mini adventure solo. I went to a chicken restaurant called Lee's Fried Chicken, famous fried chicken. This was based off the suggestion of great comedian Joey Diaz. I'm a big fan of. He mentioned that every time he comes to Nashville, he goes to Lee's Fried Chicken. But sadly, there's not one in Nashville, so I really don't know what he's talking about. I think maybe he said ones that got closed down, but then he mentioned just somewhat recently that he drives an hour. If he's in Nashville, he drives an extra hour just to get it. But I didn't, since it's quicker for me to go to Kentucky than one of the restaurants in Tennessee, because I'm from Tennessee, so it's quicker for me to go to Kentucky. So I drove just about 2 hours to get this chicken. And I just got done eating inside. I had the chicken strips, and I gotta be honest, it was just kind of okay. I mean, it wasn't the worst thing ever, but I don't know. But I think what really is the thing that smacks is probably the chicken on the bone. So that's what we're gonna try right now. Oh, hot as hell. I mean, again, I feel like it's kind of just solid. The breading's not really wowing me. This is just the regular. I did order some spicy as well. I think the spicier will wow me more, but I can't be seeing a little bits of it. But I cleared the bone. People give people shit for not clearing bones. I'll admit, it's better than KFC. I'm not sure it's better than Popeyes. I love Popeyes, so I don't think it's much better than Popeyes. And definitely, I think the King chicken places, even though they really don't serve chicken on the bone, Chick-fil-A, and that's not better than a Chick-fil-A sandwich. But I did order their chicken sandwich, Lee's chicken sandwich, and we're gonna give that a try because I'm a huge fan of fried chicken sandwiches. So let me just get organized real quick. I can organize later. Let's try this out, man. I've been total gluttonous. Oh boy, this one's pretty big. Look at this. Definitely way bigger than a Chick-fil-A, but kind of the size of a Popeyes one. Popeyes one's huge. Fucking huge, honestly. So let's give this a try. I don't know. It's okay. Honestly, man, I hate to be negative. It's not better than, definitely not better than Chick-fil-A, and not better than a Popeyes one. Like, that's great. I just had. I just said, gotta stop saying it. I hate to say it. With like a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, that's like a Starburst, but as a chicken. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so fucking juicy. It's just so mouthwatering. The flavor. I feel like the Popeyes one's kind of somewhat similar, and this one, I have nothing. Let me take more bites. I definitely gotta say that the sides were kind of slacking. I had some potato wedges and they were just meh. Very lumpy, not crispy enough for my liking. Macaroni and cheese kind of just tastes like Kraft mac and cheese. Maybe negative. Especially for how much this shit costs, I don't want to get into that. Oh. I meant to save that sandwich for when I'm driving, but okay. So overall, gotta say, even Joey Diaz says this. Don't believe in the hype. I just say I can't believe in his hype. Maybe there is quite a number of Lee's fried chicken places. So maybe the other ones are better than the one I just went to. But I don't know. I drove 2 hours for this shit. I want to try to explore the downtown area real quick. Maybe just drive by it and then we're gonna get going. Wow. It was okay. I think Popeye's still better. Bye-bye. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. And please support as well. Look in the description. Bye-bye.